Hi Khalko, I'm making three different type of lachadar paratha. So let's begin. 3 cup all-purpose flour, salt according to your taste. Add little water and slowly mix the ingredient. And finally, my dough is ready in the little bowl. तैयार हो गया. अब इसको हम ढक के रख देंगे about 20 मिनट. और आटा हमारा रेडी. Add little bit oil on top and make small पेड़े small ball. 2 मिनट के लिए रेस्ट हो गए. Make a flat chapati. This is my first type of lachadar. Spread some butter or dry flour on top. Cut from the middle to end and roll it. Now roll it again. Keep it on side. And this is second type of lachadar. Sprinkle some flour. Fold it like a pleat. So like this. Now roll it. And keep it for rest. Spread your flour. Very nice one. So with pizza cutter or knife, just cut really thin this together and make a roll again. It's all done. अब हाथों से भी थोड़ा थोड़ा तपतपाएं. थोड़ा सा ऑयल स्प्रेड कर दे. Place your paratha in. Oh, flip it over. I'm gonna spread some butter on top. फिर ये देखिए कैसे मजेदार मेरे ये लच्छे देखिए जरा इसकी लच्छे ये देखिए ये लच्छे देखिए. And my second type is ready as well. And now the third one. ये हो गया मेरा third kind of lachadar paratha. My son gonna try my food. Bismillah.
I hate hot food, but yeah.
With the omelette.
Yeah, with my omelette. Oh, it's hot. He don't like hot food. How is it? It's so yummy.